All right, so let's go into paragraph 15, everyone's favorite paragraph. Default. Tell me about default.
So if the buyer fails to comply or if the seller fails to comply, it basically states that the other's in default.
Yep.
And so what this is stating is how it's terminated and how the earnest money could possibly be dispersed. Again, you need to know your title company and what their disbursement policies are.
Correct.
It's very important.
This is where it gets serious. So if somebody fails to do to follow through with the contract, this is the protection that both the parties have to go back and seek legal recourse based upon them not following through for specific performance.
That is correct.
All right, and before we get to lawyers and everything like that, paragraph 16 is mediation. So what in the world is mediation?
Well, the state of Texas is a mediation state.
Mm-hmm.
So this is stating that any time that a suit is filed from either party, both parties agree based on the state that they will go into mediation and try to have a resolution other than tying up the court systems.
There you go. So ultimately, mediation is going to cost you a whole lot less money too.
A whole lot less.
Yes. It's like an hourly fee that you pay, and most of the time that's split unless you agree in mediation to one party take care of the whole thing. So keep that in mind. Attorney's fees, while we're on mediation, we might as well go into attorney's fees. So what in the world does it mean with attorney's fees?
It means that in the state of Texas, all of our contracts are promulgated.
Mm-hmm.
And so the buyer or the seller can choose to have an attorney represent them. But it is not necessary because our contracts are written by attorneys and approved by the state, which is the Texas Real Estate Commission. So therefore, an attorney is not needing to write the contract.
Yeah. Now, can a attorney accept a commission on a property?
Not with Keller Williams.
Well, they cannot accept a commission for facilitating facilitating a contract. They can, however, accept a fee.
And they can accept a commission if they actually got their real estate license.
If they have their real estate license.
Yep.
Other than that, the only way they can do it is by accepting a fee for their service on that. Now, if they happen to make that fee 3% or whatever that amount is of the contract, that's up to them.
That's between them and their client.
But we, the listing company, cannot ever write a check directly to a lawyer unless they are licensed to sell real estate, and the only way that we could then write them a check directly is if they're also a broker.
And they have a
exactly.
be a broker.